previously I was a account manager for a software company, and we used to do sort of pubs and restaurants. We'd put in all their software for the tills, a lot of mileage, a lot of nights away from home. It was a big jump, so going from a decent, well-paid career to starting on your own was very, very daunting. So for me, it was the franchise was the better route, because it's something that's established. You've got a better chance of it succeeding than you have probably just going straight out on your own and doing something. And obviously, franchise comes with training and quite a level of support as well. I think you've got to pick something that you're interested in, something that you can see yourself doing for however long your plan's going to be. But also you need to look at what your local market is and what the opportunities to you are. And then a big thing for me is the people that are the franchisor, whether they fit and whether you can actually work with them, because it's not just a case of taking a franchise and away you go. You've got to be able to get on with the franchisor and make the business work as a partnership. I did quite a bit of phoning around local dealerships to see what they used, who they used, what sort of prices they were paying, whether they're receptive to somebody new coming in, whether they were receptive to a different offering. And did quite a lot of research in terms of across the spectrum really. I didn't do all of them, but I got a good percentage of that gave me a bit of confidence that there was going to be regular work there from a trade perspective, because the market is enormous really, not just from a trade perspective but from the retail perspective. And Revive don't differentiate between the two, if you like. There's not this type of franchise or that type of franchise. You take on whichever you prefer to go for. So you need a very open mind. You're going to have broad shoulders. You're going to have dogged persistence in terms of sales and just making sure you get things right. When you first set up, you're looking at just getting the business going, getting it established and doing it right, and trying to get repeat customer in that way and trying to grow the business that way. Once you get to the stage where you need more actual business support in terms of how you grow your business, how you manage your business, and how your business then how it grows and expands and how you manage that, as opposed to actually just going and finding the work. It's more the work tends to sort itself out. It's more how we grow and manage the business through its evolution.